If you want to learn how to draw animals, then get How to Draw Animals by Teresa Barletta, also the author of How to Draw Faces. In this book, How to Draw Animals, you will learn how to draw all types of animals in a step-by-step manner. Do you love animals and like art activities? If you've always wanted to draw animals from scratch by yourself and wanted to learn it in a quick and easy way without having to spend lots of money for lessons, then get the How to Draw Animals guide in order to achieve this goal right away. By getting How to Draw Animals, you will gain the benefits like the following. Be able to impress your friends and loved ones with your skills in drawing animals. Save money in learning how to draw animals the right way, without taking expensive classes or enrolling in a university. Learn it right in the comforts of your home or just about anywhere. Increase your skill sets and therefore your chances of getting jobs with your newly acquired talent of drawing, which you can add to your portfolio or CV. You can now draw your favorite animals or pets, or draw your friends' pets. You can now have the satisfaction of being able to draw scenes with animals. If you enjoy learning new skills or are interested in art in general, getting this book will help you achieve just that. Gain a new relaxing hobby of drawing animals when you want and where you want. Be able to learn in a quick and easy way with the easy-to-follow step-by-step procedure. Review the lessons on how to draw animals anytime and improve faster by doing so. Plus, many more tips and tricks from professionals to help you draw realistic animal figures. The book is a step-by-step format, which is easy to follow. Each step tackles how to draw a specific type of animal and parts of the animal. What's more is that there are tips included about shading, movement, and structure to help you draw better. The many step-by-step procedures all have illustrated guides and captions for the reader's benefit. In short, everything you need in order to draw animals is contained in this book. Let How to Draw Animals help you reap the mentioned benefits right away by getting this book. Click Add to Cart to get it now.